Hi friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of Legal Legends of India. In the present episode, we will discuss Sir Chimanlal Setalwad. He was born in July 1865 in the city of Bharuch. His grandfather was a principal judge of Sardar Amin at Ahmedabad. After completing his matriculation, he joined Elphinstone College. Elphinstone College in those days was opposite to Victoria Gardens, what we now call Jijamata Udyan at Bhaikala. After passing his BA exam, he wanted to pursue the law study. But as per the wish of his father, he took up an employment as a treasury carcon. He worked only for 4 days and after that left for Bombay to become a lawyer. His inspiration to join law was of Nanabai Haridas, who was a roaring practitioner at that point of time in Bombay High Court. After becoming the lawyer, he enrolled himself as a pleader on the appellate side of Bombay High Court. He intended to go on the original side, but there was a specific problem. Most of the judges were non-Indians, and clients felt that since they are non-Indians, it would be a better thing to brief a counsel and an advocate who is a European. So, a large work on original side was only with Europeans. Further, there was a rule that if somebody has to join original side, he has to be apprentice for 1 year on the original side, apprentice for 1 year on the appellate side, and then give the exam. The exam was such a tough exam that hardly anybody could pass it. There was an alternative to this. If a pleader who has 10 years of practice and provided he stops his practice for 1 year, in such a case he would be allowed to enroll as an advocate on the original side. Now this 10 years and then a break of 1 year, this 1 year was a penalizing break. It was like discouraging the Indians to come on the original side of High Court. But still, Mr. Chimanlal Setalwad gave the notice to registrar that I have completed my 10 years as pleaders and I am taking a break of 1 year. Accordingly, he got enrolled on the original side of Bombay High Court. He appeared in various famous cases like Dakor Temple. One of his classic case, Mulji Jetha litigation, needs to be told because it is because of this particular litigation an excellent institution was formed. This was a litigation between the family, and ultimately both the parties appointed Sir Chimanlal Setalwad as an arbitrator, and one of the obligations in the arbitration was to form a college called Govardhan Das Sundar Das Medical College, that is the today's GS Medical College, which was attached to the upcoming KEM hospital. During his practice, he always encouraged juniors, gave them briefs to argue. He himself was of an opinion that a senior advocate should not draw the pleadings, he should only settle them. Further, a senior advocate should not appear in short causes suit. So, he tried to see that whenever the plaints or pleadings were to be drafted, he is to give it to his juniors and especially when there was a short cost suit, he would give to his juniors. And for this, he even increased his own fees so that client would be compelled to go to juniors. For a short period, he was judge of Bombay High Court. He was Vice Chancellor of Bombay University for 12 years. He was member of school committee of BMC for 23 years. He was a member of Hunter Commission. He was a member of first round table conference. He also contributed by articles in paper by name Indian Spectator and Bombay Chronicle. Now such is the length and breadth of the life of Sir Chimanlal Setalwad that it certainly cannot be covered in a short time. Team Hammurabi Tablet salutes him.